Working on a 23 Model 3 Tesla. We're going to remove this back cover. This is the passenger front right seat, and I'll show you how to do it. We have the seat out of the car. You should be able to remove it without removing it out of the car. And if this video helped you, just leave us a comment, and any suggestions, let us know, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so these are just little hooks, 2 of them. And just slide it down, and that's it. And to pop it back in, you're gonna have to get these 2 holes lined up with this headrest. And what we did is we pressed on it really tight down here or up here, and then you're able to slide them on here, otherwise it's kind of difficult. And these are the 2 hooks right here. So that's it. Pop it out, slide it down, and it comes out. And this is the seat.